Can I access ITV Hub on my Amazon Fire Stick?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be exploring how you can access ITV Hub on your Amazon Fire Stick. This British streaming service provides a wealth of TV shows, movies, and live TV channels right at your fingertips, and with a Fire Stick, you can enjoy this content right on your big screen. Let's get started.
What is ITV Hub and Amazon Fire Stick?
ITV Hub is a UK-based online video-on-demand service accessible through the main ITV website, mobile devices, smart TVs, and set-top boxes. It offers a variety of content from ITV's channel. An Amazon Fire Stick is a device that you plug into your TV's HDMI port. It gives you access to all your favorite streaming services, including ITV Hub.
Can you access ITV Hub on Amazon Fire Stick?
Yes, you can. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, ITV Hub is available on Amazon Fire Stick. It's easy to install and use. All you need is a stable internet connection and a UK-based ITV account.
How to install ITV Hub on Amazon Fire Stick?
1. Power on your TV and Amazon Fire Stick. 2. From the main menu, navigate to the search bar and type ITV Hub. 3. Click on the ITV Hub app in the search results and then click on Get or Download. 4. After the app has installed, click Open. 5. If you already have an ITV account, sign in with your details. If not, you'll need to create one. 6. Once signed in, you're ready to enjoy your favorite ITV content. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can access ITV Hub on your Amazon Fire Stick and start enjoying a variety of content. Don't forget that this service is geo-restricted to the UK, so if you're based elsewhere, you might need a VPN to access the content. We hope this video was helpful, and happy streaming!